Today we're going to draw Rumi and K-pop demon hunters. First, get your black marker and then start to draw the eye curve like this. And then below, curve like that. Same thing on the other side. Yeah. Then draw a circle inside. Same on the other side. And then draw the catch light and then the pupil. And then the other catch light and then the pupil on the other side. Make it a bit bigger if you wish. Then to draw the lash, draw a curve like this and go like that. Same on the other side, like that. Then yeah, you're done with the eyes. And then now to do the smile, you can do the smile a bit uneven and then cut it off. And then to draw the eyebrows, just draw a curve, just normal. Draw a dot here, and then there. And we made a cheek, and now we made a chin. Now back up. Then go a bit upper, and then go like that. Then draw her ears. And then after, draw this curve and the curve inside. Same on the other side. And after, draw hair like this. And then these earrings like that. And after, draw these French plaits for Rumi, her hair, and then draw these two lines on each side. Then draw the neck, then draw the collar, the shoulders, and then that for the hood. Keep on going down, cut it off, and then draw her sleeve and some lines in it, like there. And then the same thing on the other side, sleeve, and then the curve. Draw the curve here so that it looks more like a hood. Starting from here, go down, then do those strippy lines. After, for the neck bit, draw the strippy lines as well. Then draw her trousers like that. Normal trousers, how you draw them. You can do it any type, but I'm drawing like this. Draw her shoes, just the curve, and like that. Then a line down, back, and then yeah, like that. Same thing on the other side. You did your hand. Get your blue pen and then color in her earrings with it, and color in her jeans with the blue pen. There. Get your brown, color in her shoes, and then after coloring the sleeves and stuff and waist bit, coloring the whole jumper except for the hood. So keep on coloring in the whole jumper, only the curves in the hood, and then get your black and then draw the rest of her front flag. Keep on going down and down and down. And while it's getting down, it gets bigger, but then like gets smaller, like ascending and then descending in math. And then coming out of the other side, draw her hair coming down. Her hair is so long. Oh gosh, it's gonna take forever. We're nearly there. And then draw her elastic. Draw a triangle at the end so that it looks like it's tied. And then color in the band. Then color in the inside of the hood with the black marker. After, get your purple and then start coloring in her hair with it. Keep on going. I know I'm going a bit fast, but you can stop and wait. Then get your color pen, go to purple and then start coloring in her eyelash. And then color in her iris. It's nice, isn't it? After that, get to your peach and then color in her whole skin with it. Face, and then hands. Keep on going on with the face. You can stop and match the colors with me. And get your color pen again. And then go to the black and trace the lines because we can't really see it. And draw her plaits. Keep on going. Yes, well done. You finished Rumi, and next time we're going to draw Zoey and Mira. See you next time. Bye.